Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cheap mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Linen Spit Wind Cheap Mattress. Looking for a comfortable and affordable mattress that won't break the bank? The Linen Spit Wind Cheap Mattress has your back. This twin mattress combines the best of both worlds. It offers the pressure relief of memory foam and the reliable support of a traditional innerspring mattress. The medium firm design is ideal for those who prefer a little extra support. Plus, the very durable steel coils evenly distribute weight. From there, the cushioning memory foam minimizes pressure by conforming to your body. What we like about it: flexible and adaptable. Memory foam and innerspring technology. Comfort and support on a budget. What we don't like about it: not comfortable for everyone. Number 2. Zenus Foam Spring Cheap Mattress. Eager to buy a comfortable and supportive mattress without spending a lot of money? Look no further than the Zenus Foam Spring Cheap Mattress. This mattress in a box is certified by Certipper US. Plus, it features a fiber quilted cover, high-density foam, viscolatex foam, and heavy-duty steel inner spring. Together, these features combine to create the perfect blend of cushion support. It's especially great for stomach sleepers and people who prefer reactive feel. Plus, it comes with a 10-year worry-free warranty. What we like about it: fast delivery and easy setup. Great value for the price. Comfortable and stiffness reducing. What we don't like about it: one side of the mattress may be concave. Number 3. FDW Storgel Memory Cheap Mattress. Are you on the hunt for a comfortable yet affordable mattress? The FDW Storgel Memory Cheap Mattress might be the right one for you. This medium firm mattress is perfect for people on a budget while still offering a quality sleep experience. Certified by Certipper US, you can trust the high-quality materials that make up this mattress. The gel memory foam technology ensures a cool and comfortable sleep. Plus, it will provide you with total pressure relief. Thanks to the convenience of the bed-in-a-box packaging, setup is a breeze with this cheap mattress. Don't settle for a subpar night's sleep. What we like about it: conforms to and supports the body. Gel-infused and cooling foam. Pressure-relieving feature for extra relaxation. What we don't like about it: too firm for some people. Number 4. Milliard Memory Foam Cheap Mattress. Are you on a budget but still want a quality mattress? Look no further than the Milliard Memory Foam Cheap Mattress. This cheap mattress provides the perfect combination of support and comfort. With its firm feel, this mattress also relieves pressure on the body. Plus, it comes in a convenient bed-in-a-box package, making it easy to transport and set up in your bedroom. The classic design of this twin-size mattress will match any decor style. Even better, the memory foam construction ensures a great night of sleep every time. You don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability with this cheap mattress. What we like about it: excellent support for plus size and scoliosis. Firm and supportive yet comfortable. No imprints, sagging, or fiberglass. What we don't like about it: may cause discomfort at first. Number 5. Nook Queen Bamboo Cheap Mattress. Are you searching for a comfy and affordable mattress that can help you catch quality sleep without breaking the bank? Look no further than the Nook Queen Bamboo Cheap Mattress. This mattress provides the perfect balance between comfort and support. It has a medium firmness that is ideal for a wide array of sleepers. The memory foam material conforms to your body, cradling you in a cozy embrace that helps you drift off to dreamland. What we like about it: excellent customer service. Comfortable and supportive. Very affordable option. What we don't like about it: reports of unpleasant odor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.